can hear and I can see.
Yes.
But I thought blind people cannot say black.
Why? I'm not. Am I white? You didn't tell me Daddy is white.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, but you're not black, son.
Listen. These things are part of life. Okay? These things are part of life.
So is diarrhea, but you don't see me calling it entertainment, do you?
She just pulled my plate in here.
That is very wrong.
Do you have a collar?
No, on that it's okay. Calm down.
Listen.
Wait, let me ask you a question. What are you going to be wearing in his film? I'll be nude.
Yes.
Oh, so you're going to die of pneumonia.
No, listen. This, you know, I am a director.
Why are you not handling her?
No, she's
This is
my
part
cast.
of the acting.
And we are rehearsing.
Yes.
And she has to be naked because we have a lot of nakedness in this play.
Yes. Why would I pay money to go see nudity and degeneracy? Why?
Because these things are a part of life.
So is diarrhea, but you don't see me putting it in a script.
No, just have an open mind with his back. It's going to be.
You're
Okay,
blind.
that's enough.
Are you blind?
I've always been blind. You wonder where you
With a cut and mix the video.
Ask him if his father is blind.
Is your father blind?
No.
No, can your father see?
Can your father see?
Well, he has not been seeing for the last 6 years.
Where is your father?
Because he's dead.
Correct. I like your mother. I like your mother. Listen. Me too. No. Can it be your father?
My other father. I don't want 4 fathers. You want to be, I don't want 4 fathers. I don't want a 4 father.
You already have 4 fathers. Because
No, she has 4 fathers, he has 1.
no, well, I can believe she looks like this with the forehead. That's her 4 fathers. Listen,
And the hockey stick legs.
yes, listen, I like your mother because she has big buttocks.
Hey! Excuse me? Weren't you just cutting?
Mama, no, listen. This is a part of my cast. This is part of the rehearsal.
But she's moving
But
into your
I'm-
house. What is she going to be doing there?
She's rehearsing, but I want to move into yours.
What is it? I thought you just made fun of Ken or people.
No. I accept you. You are accepted.
I do not want to accept your conversation.
Well, I think we are going